Hey guys, Adam here. Wondering who wants to learn how to make a portfolio that doesn't really have to do with stocks or bonds. Now, let me tell you something really quick. The online equivalent to like a stock or bond, or basically anything like that, is a portfolio of websites. Now, websites obviously are, you could buy a couple sites. They're like you could list of ways you can gain money and hold on to assets just over the internet, and you can sell them or buy them whenever the heck you want to. So, let me show you about a website called Flippa. Flippa is a very cool website where you can purchase basically online websites, domains, or apps, or even Shopify stores that are currently already out there gaining money. So, let me show you real quick. This is Flippa, a very powerful website. You have the ability to buy and sell online businesses like websites, domains, apps, Shopify, and Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. So, I want to show you a quick method on how to purchase a website. So let's go to website. All right. Let's go to see all websites. Now, I've been doing this for a while now. Basically, I buy a website for so money, make my money back, and then I make double what I make basically within the next 3 to 4 months, and then I flip it, either sell it to somebody else for more than I make, or I go to a different website, which I'll show you in a second how to do it even better. But here is how I do it. I go for a monthly profit of, let's say, so you go to websites, you go to monthly profit of $25 to $50 that a website organically makes with its website. Then I go to search. Okay, I come down. I look for the buy it now that's actually a decent price. So let's go to, that's way overpriced, $2,000. I mean, I'm not dropping 2 grand on a website. I mean, I will later when I explain how I do that, but let's go down. Let's try to find one. 900's not bad. Making a $41 profit a month. I wouldn't go with that one, especially if you're starting off. I wouldn't do that. 500. This one's not bad. Okay, so you buy this website called Morning Update News for $500. You make a net profit of $37 a month. So in time, you'll make your money back. I'm not ready for that one yet. I don't think you are as well. So let's go to a different one. I mean, if you're liquid enough and you have the money, by all means try it. But I would not if you're a beginner and you don't have enough money to start off. MovieMarathon.win. Buy it now for $180. Net profit of $32 a month. Okay, so you will make your money back in what, 6 months? And then basically you hold on to that, and then every month after that, you just acquire money. You're just gaining money every time. Let's check this website out real quick. Quick look, it's an entertainment website, MovieMarathon.win. Okay, so it's a current bid of $75, but you can buy it for $180. It's 11 months old. It looks like, let's just jump into the site. Okay, cool. So it's an online, I guess, Netflix for free. So it looks like it's automatically updating as well. So all you have to do is you buy the site and it updates by itself. And you just acquire the traffic through means of Facebook or Instagram, or just putting on like Reddit or something like that. People come to your site, they watch the movies, then they spread it out. They spread it to their friends. This is actually really cool, and they're all updated movies. The Equalizer 2, this is all new. Deadpool 2, interesting. I actually like this myself. This is actually really cool. But you get the gist. Basically, you come to this website called Flippa. You can buy websites for cheap prices. So this one's $180, and you can basically get your money back that you purchased it for in 6 months, and then increase. And then so once you do that, like I said, if you increase the traffic, the more money you can monetize your website better with the Google ads and all that stuff, and you can flip it and sell it for more, or you can go to a different website that I have here. It's called let's see, Digital Point Marketplace, which is actually really cool. and this is another similar to Flippa but better. So what's cool about Digital Point is that you could also purchase sites and domains and plugins, along with ebooks and different articles and stuff, and then you can just resell those as well. But what I like to do with Flippa is basically create this so buy a website, take my money back, or even just in the same day within like an hour, go Digital Point, find out what websites are going for on this website, and you can sell it for more. It's like an instant $50 profit. And you can do this over and over and over again all day, which is actually really cool. Let's go to sites real quick on Digital Point. Now, people from Digital Point and Flippa, it's like they're two different worlds. So you can basically, vice versa, you can go to Digital Point, buy a website there, and then go to Flippa and sell it there. So it's a very, very powerful method. I've done it too. I made about $400 in like maybe a few hours just doing this. So if you want to try this, I highly recommend it. Okay, here's some other websites we have. Let's see. Some of them tells you if they're AdSense displayed or not, which basically means that they're making money. Domain Authority 5. I have 100, that's not that good. Let's see. Here's some websites that this one's sold. This one sold for $5,000. That's wow. Let's see. You can go to cheap websites. Imageplace.net. Chapo Cheap. Newcrunch.com. .com websites are obviously the way to go. You could buy that for $400. I don't know what it's making right now. Revenue, nothing. It's not making anything revenue-wise, so I wouldn't bother with that. But free WordPress blog, themeblog.info, buy it for $1,500, sell it for, it's making $50 a month. I wouldn't go for that either. Obviously, common sense. Let's be honest. Buy it now, $8,000. No. Anyway, you can find websites here for a buy it now price of cheap, just like Flippa. I'm not seeing any right now. I know they're here. I see them every day. People must have bought them. But it's constantly updating. And basically, so like I said, you go Digital Point. You can buy a website here, or you can sell your Flippa website here, and people buy it. And people buy it very, very quickly. So if you're going to, so you go to Flippa and you buy that website for $180. It's already making you money back in 6 months. But if you go here and you sell it for, let's say, $250, $260-ish, you can make, almost half of what you spent back instantly. It's crazy. It's crazy powerful, so I highly recommend it. Well, that's all I got for you guys today on website flipping. But if you want more information like this or future videos, I highly recommend you like this button, subscribe, hit the bell button for basically more videos that are coming out in the very future. Expect one in probably the next day, a day or 2 days. So, I'll chat you guys later. See ya.